The Redmi Note 10 Pro Max is the top-end phone in the series that packs a 108 megapixel Samsung HM2 main camera, is powered by Snapdragon 732G SoC and features a 120Hz AMOLED display. Here we have the unboxing and the first impression of the phone. The Redmi Note 10 Pro ships within a regular paper box and it packs everything you need but a pair of headphones. You also get a transparent silicone case with a cover lead for the USB-C port. This version is 8GB and 128GB of storage. You will get 33 watts charger and USB Type-C cable, a 33 watts power adapter and a 3A rated USB-A to C cable, SIM ejector tool, a clear protective case, screen guard or screen protector which is pre-installed, and a user guide. The phone has a 6.67-inch Full HD plus 120Hz AMOLED dot display, but it can only switch between 60Hz and 120Hz. It has up to 1200 nits brightness, so the sunlight legibility is good even in the bright outdoors. The screen has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The tiny 2.96mm punch hole houses a 16 megapixel camera. On the top edge there is a loudspeaker grill that also doubles up as a speaker. Since the phone has always-on display, it doesn't have notification LED. Powered by Snapdragon 732G, the phone has up to 8GB of RAM and 120GB of UFS 2.2 storage. It runs on Android 11 with MIUI 12, but the company has promised that MIUI 12.5 update will be available soon. The phone offers a smooth user experience and doesn't have any lags. The volume rockers and the power button that integrates the fingerprint and sensor are present on the right side of the phone. There are also some gesture features in the power button, so that lets you double tap to perform actions or take a screenshot. On the top there is a 3.5mm audio jack, vent for speaker, secondary microphone and an infrared sensor. The loudspeaker grill, primary microphone and USB Type-C port are present on the bottom. The dual SIM slot and microSD slot is present on the left side. Since the phone has a plastic frame, you don't see any antenna cutouts. The Redmi Note 10 Pro Max is the first phone in the price range to feature the 108 megapixel Samsung HM2 camera. It offers faster and more effective face detection autofocus solution and 9-pixel binding technology to capture rich details even in low light conditions. This is vintage bronze version and it is having a frosted glass back, so it doesn't attract fingerprints. The phone packs a 5020 mAh battery and supports 33 watts of fast charging. The phone also has IP53 rating for water resistance. The Redmi Note 10 Pro Max starts at Rs 18,999 for the 6GB RAM and 64GB storage version, and it goes up to 21,999 for the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage version. The Redmi Note 10 Max Pro is a kind of smartphone that could make you question the need to spend more on anything else. It has genuinely got everything that a smartphone enthusiast can ask for. It performs well, it has a great display, can run some of the demanding mobile games with ease, takes good photos and tops it all with a reliable battery life. It looks good while doing all of that. If you genuinely want to buy into the 108 megapixel camera hype without spending truckloads, the Redmi Note 10 Max Pro is your best bet in the market right now.